In this video, I'll show you how to print double-sided on Google Docs. If you want to print on both sides of the paper from Google Docs, the main thing to know is that the double-sided option usually appears in the print settings only if your printer supports duplex printing. In Google's Help Community Guidance, the usual path is to open the Print panel, go into More Settings if needed, and then look for an option like two-sided or print on both sides. To get started, open your document in Google Docs and click File, then Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to open the print window quickly. Once the print screen opens, choose your printer first because the available settings can change depending on which printer is selected. If your printer supports duplex printing, the two-sided option may appear only after the correct printer is chosen. Next, look for More Settings in the print window and open it. On many setups, this is where the double-sided option is hidden. If your printer supports it, you may see a checkbox or menu labeled two-sided, print on both sides, or something similar. Turn that on before you print. Google's community guidance specifically points users to more settings when they cannot immediately see the double-sided option. If your printer gives you a choice for how the pages flip, pay attention to that setting too. Some printers use long edge binding and some use short edge binding. Long edge binding is usually the better choice for normal documents that read like a book, while short edge binding is more common for pages that flip upward like a notepad. If the backside prints upside down, that is usually a sign the flip setting needs to be changed. Google's Help community includes reports of upside-down second pages when the duplex orientation is not set correctly. If you do not see any double-sided option at all, there are a few common reasons. Your printer may not support duplex printing, the printer driver settings may not have duplex enabled, or the browser print window may not be showing all available printer features. In Google support threads, users are often directed to check printer properties or device settings at the system level when the duplex option is missing. If that happens, try opening your computer's printer settings and checking whether duplex or double-sided printing is enabled there. On some printers, that feature has to be turned on in the printer properties before it appears in Google Docs or Chrome. After updating the printer settings, close the print window, reopen Google Docs Print, and check again. Google Community Answers also mention that the option can disappear or stay hidden depending on the printer setup and browser behavior. If your printer does not support automatic duplex printing, you can still print double-sided manually. Print the odd-numbered pages first, put the paper back into the tray the correct way, then print the even-numbered pages on the other side. That method takes a little more care, but it still gets the job done when your printer does not have built-in duplex support. This is an inference based on Google's Help community guidance that automatic two-sided printing depends on printer support. So to print double-sided on Google Docs, open the document, click File and Print, choose your printer, open More Settings, and turn on two-sided or print on both sides if your printer supports it. And if you do not see the option, check your printer properties or use manual double-sided printing instead. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.